If your beef stir fry is always tougher than your life decisions, stop. You are probably missing one tiny step. Today, I'm showing you the real lazy way to get perfect beef and onions in just one pan, because we've got better things to do than wash extra dishes. Let's cook. First, grab half an onion, save the other half for your next lonely meal. Cut it into large strips and separate them. It's like social distancing for vegetables. Makes your life easier later. Pro tip: soak the onions for 15 minutes if your stomach is sensitive. Next, garlic. Ta-da! As lazy legends, we use the pre-peeled stuff. Grab one clove and slice it. If you love garlic, smash and chop it. If you only want the aroma, just keep it sliced. We are here for the vibes, not the garlic breath. Now, the green onions. Cut them in half, then into 3 cm pieces. That's about an inch for my friends who hate the metric system. Keep the whites and greens separate. They have different personalities. We'll deal with them later. Chili is optional, but I like a layer cake to remind me I'm alive. Just a quick diagonal cut, and we are done. Easy. Now for the star, the beef. Use whatever cut you want, but please, cut against the grain. We want tender beef, not a piece of leather. Slice it thin or slightly thicker. Up to you. Just keep the thickness fairly even. Put it in a bowl and give it a spa treatment. Sugar, black pepper powder, cornstarch, soy sauce, and a splash of dark soy for that expensive tang. Add a little water and mix until the beef gets slightly sticky. If you don't mind the taste of baking soda, add a tiny pinch to make it even more tender. Then, lock in all that flavor with a little oil. I'm using my homemade shallot oil. It really elevates the whole dish. If you want to learn how to make it, check the card in the top corner. And let the beef chill for 10 minutes. While the beef is napping, let's make the sauce. Mix beef bouillon or oyster sauce, sugar, black pepper, soy sauce, and dark soy sauce. Give it a quick mix. Add some water. Mix well. And yes, more shallot oil. And set it aside. In a tiny bowl, mix cornstarch and water. This is our insurance policy, to make the sauce thick and glossy. Set it aside too. Alright, heat up some oil over medium heat. Toss in the green onion whites and garlic. Sauté for 10 seconds until it smells like heaven. Toss in the chili and onions, stir for another 10 seconds. Add a pinch of sugar to help the onions caramelize. Stir until the onions look translucent, kind of like my skin after staying indoors for a week. Push the onions to the side. Add the beef and spread it out. Let it pan fry for about 30 seconds until the bottom is slightly brown. Now, flip and stir until it's 70% cooked, about a minute. Add a splash of Shaoxing wine. Sniff. Do you smell that? That's the smell of success. Skip it if you don't do alcohol. I won't judge. Pour in that magic sauce we made. Stir gently so every piece of beef gets a warm, salty hug. About 30 to 45 seconds here. Give it a quick taste. I'm adding a bit more dark soy for color. It's like adding an Instagram filter to your food. Mix it up until the beef is fully coated. Sprinkle some crusted black pepper and pour in that cornstarch slurry. Give the slurry a stir first because cornstarch loves to sink to the bottom. Like my motivation. Watch that sauce thicken up instantly. Once it's thick and sexy, kill the heat. Toss in the green parts of the green onions. Give it a final 15 seconds whirling stir. And that's it. We are done. Look at that. Glossy, tender, and took almost zero brand power. If you want more ways to use that shallot oil to level up your lazy cooking, click this video right here. Don't forget to subscribe to Lazy Wee Kitchen for more work smarter, not harder recipes. See ya!